Hi guys!
Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi tao!
Today we're gonna unbox Sony Angel.
No!
Bakit Angel? Okay, first. Uy, isa lang! Okay, let's open guys. Wait. So, we have these. I want this one. Yen! Isa pa! Isa lang. Sama si Ate Iya.
Oy ako!
Wala ko ipakita.
Yen! We're gonna open. I want this one. What do you want?
Wait, let me see.
Karino. What do you want?
I want the
Yen!
reindeer.
Open. You want the
Really, can I open?
I want the snowball. Oh, what is that? Yen!
Oh my god.
Ah!
Ah!
Ako!
The reindeer!
Umiikot. Uy, kay Ate Iya nga. Yan.
Ako din.
No!
Ah, Yen!
Ate, kay! Pag nakuha niya, eh, akin na lang.
Wag na. Isa lang.
Oh, I got the rabbit.
Wow!
Nagbubukas na ako rin.
Yen!
Ang creepy na tatanggal yung ulo. I want the fun. Ano yan? Hyper ba? Ay, hindi ko hyper. Okay, ako na.
Bunny. Bunny.
Kali, look. The head is off.
Oh no!
Kali, look.
I want the snowball. Wala man, Daddy. Please. Wala na si Buddy. Wala!
Ano yung secret nito eh?
Stop it. I will be sure. Wait. That's it.
Wow.
Sa akin, snowball.
Ano ba? Maybe. Yung snowball?
Wala na yan. Yay! I got the snowball.
Ano nakuha?
Nakuha ko.
Ano yan?
Last, guys. Yan na si Buddy.
Wala tinanggal ni Kali yung ulo.
Kali! Guys, the head fell. It's not the real. My doggy. I hope it's
Wow. Ito ba kalaki talaga yung sunod?
Secret. It's this one. This one.
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Fun. Tinatanggal ni Kali.
Kali! Okay, guys. That's all. We got all the characters. Bye, guys. I like this.